Hey, welcome back. So negotiating debt settlement is really a critical but overwhelming challenge for most people in the credit repair space because each client situation demands empathy, precision, and documentation. So whether it's medical bills or unexpected expenses, the complexity really just builds and errors can jeopardize really good settlements. So welcome to Lesson 11. This is where we simplify a lot of those complex issues like understanding the debt settlement process and using ChatGPT to turn financial hardship into compelling stories and showing you how to craft perfect proposals, counter objectives effectively, and ensure really accurate documentation. Let's go ahead and explore real-world scenarios like negotiating medical expenses, unlocking the power of ChatGPT for really just fair resolutions. So Chapter 11 isn't just a lesson, it's your gateway to negotiation mastery. Go ahead and click like, subscribe, and join us as we reveal the secrets to success in credit repair. Stay tuned for Lesson 12 preview coming up next. We're gonna go through something that you're gonna absolutely love. All right, we'll see you in that next preview.